Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my new drone, the Dji Mavic Air. Alright, so just a quick bit about it. So obviously on the box you can see here that it comes with a remote controller. It comes, let me get that in focus, it comes with the propeller guards, which is going to be quite useful for someone like me who has hardly spent time flying a drone. It comes with one battery and a carrying case. Okay, so looking at the box, you can see here that the color of the drone is white. I've gone for the black one because I just thought if I'm going to be flying this drone in the air, obviously, it's better for me to have a dark one so that way I can like see it better, blah blah blah. One of the rules is, however, with the drones, if you're flying them, you must maintain visual at all times. If you've flown it where you can't see it, you're kind of breaking the law, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Alright, so in the box, as you can see, we've got the Dji Mavic Air here. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand. It's not overly big, it's not overly small, but it's for me, with this being my first drone, it's perfect. It's portable, so I can just keep it in my bag or whenever I want to go out and do a little test drive or whatever. But let's just see what we've got in the box here as well. So in the box here, these are the guards for each of the propellers. Alright, so in here we have the propellers, and obviously with them being the spare ones, I find them highly useful. So yeah, this is the little power bank bit. So there's going to be this, I believe, is going to connect to your battery, and this is going to allow you to charge it. You've got two ports on here for maybe charging your phone, which is going to be useful once you plug this part into a wall. But yeah, charge your phone with one and charge the remote with the other. And that's your AC power to connect to that power adapter. And in the box also we have this USB-C to USB-A 3.0 cable, which is mainly used for data transfer, but I think this is what you can also use to charge the controller. You have two of the cables that connect the controller, which I can see resting in here. Last but not least, you can see the controller. You've got two cables for the controller, which is going to allow you to connect it directly and dock your phone in there. We've got the drone. Last but not least, is the drone itself. In the palm of my hand, the drone just fits perfectly. There's literally nothing to worry about, nothing to do other than to give it a good charge, remove this clip here, and you're good to go. But that's going to be in a separate video. This one's all about the unboxing, so you know what comes in the box. But yeah, as you can see, it comes with the propellers already, so the others are definitely spares. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.